Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your go-to channel for all things weight loss, health, and wellness. Today, we're learning deep into the hidden world of chronic inflammation, unraveling the science behind this silent enemy, and uncovering natural strategies to combat it. So come on, join us and grab a cozy seat as we set to embark on this enlightening journey together. Chronic inflammation, it's a term we hear tossed around in health circles, but what exactly is it, and why should we care that much? Well, buckle up, because we're about to demystify this complex topic and equip you with the knowledge you need to empower your health and vitality. What is chronic inflammation? To start, let's lay the groundwork. Chronic inflammation is a persistent, low-grade inflammatory response that occurs in the body over an extended period of time. This kind of inflammation is not noticeable on the surface, but believe us when we say that it can cause a major chaos deep inside your body. Unlike acute inflammation, which is a normal and necessary part of the body's immune response to injury or infection, chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our health if left unchecked. You might not see it or even feel it, but it is there silently ruining your health and weight loss efforts. Now picture this. Your body's defense system is like an army, ready to spring into action at the first sign of trouble or invaders. When a threat is detected, inflammatory molecules are deployed to the scene to neutralize the threat and initiate the healing process. In acute inflammation, once the threat is eradicated, the inflammation subsides and harmony is restored. However, in the case of chronic inflammation, the inflammatory response persists, leading to a cascade of detrimental effects throughout the whole body. This prolonged state of inflammation can damage tissues, organs, and even DNA, contributing to a host of chronic conditions such as obesity, brain disease, heart disease, prediabetes, diabetes, autoimmune disorders, and even cancer in the long run. So what is it that fuels the fire of chronic inflammation? Well, there are a myriad of factors at play, including poor diet, toxin intake, sedentary lifestyle, stress, environmental toxins, and underlying health conditions. Each of these elements can stoke the flames of inflammation, creating a vicious cycle of prolonged oxidative stress and tissue damage. What are the effects of chronic inflammation? The effects of chronic inflammation can manifest in a variety of ways, creating chaos on virtually every system in the body. From joint pain and digestive disturbances to brain fog and fatigue, the symptoms of chronic inflammation can be as diverse as they are debilitating. But the negative reactions and consequences of chronic inflammation extend far beyond mere discomfort. They can be downright dangerous. Scientific research has linked chronic inflammation to an increased risk of overweight, obesity, neurological illnesses, cardiovascular disease, stroke, Alzheimer's disease, and even premature aging and cancer. Inflammation is like a silent saboteur, undermining our health from the inside out. Think of it being like the Trojan horse, which silently gets into your body through diverse paths and without you even known it, and causing a total wildfire inside of you. Now you might be asking yourself, are there any good news in here? And the answer is a firm yes. We do have the power to extinguish the flames of inflammation and restore balance to our bodies. And it all starts with adopting a general approach to health and wellness. By embracing natural strategies and lifestyle modifications, we can mitigate chronic inflammation's destructive effects and pave the way for optimal health and vitality. So what are the practical tips for treating chronic inflammation naturally? Let's continue without further ado. Let's get into Levitas's top tips for treating chronic inflammation naturally. These practical strategies are designed to empower you to put out the chronic inflammation wildfire, take charge of your health, and reclaim your vitality from the inside out. Here are the top 9 strategies to achieve it. Strategy number 1, anti-inflammatory diet. Fill your plate with nutrient-dense whole foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and phytonutrients. Incorporate plenty of leafy greens, low-sugar fruits and vegetables, fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats like avocado and olive oil. Avoid inflammatory culprits such as refined sugars, processed foods, seed oils, and trans fats, which can fuel the flames of inflammation. Also, get a moderate to high amount of high-quality proteins, since proteins are known for being the building blocks of your entire body, and you will need them to repair the damage caused. Strategy number 2, regular exercise. Get moving and break a sweat regularly to help reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and support overall health. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises to keep your body strong, resilient, and inflammation-free. Remember that the more belly fat that you get rid of, the more inflammation will improve as well. Strategy number 3, stress management. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or Tai Chi to combat the detrimental effects of chronic stress on the body. Prioritize self-care, set boundaries, and engage in activities that bring you peace, joy, and fulfillment. Strategy number 4, adequate sleep. Prioritize quality sleep to support your body's natural healing processes and reduce inflammation. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep per night, and create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it is time to wind down. A basic routine would be to exclude blue light devices like cell phones, computer, and TV, at least 45 minutes before bed, and keeping your room dark and silent for relaxation. Strategy number 5, mindful eating. Cultivate a mindful approach to eating by paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, savoring each bite, and practicing gratitude for the nourishing foods that fuel your body. Avoid distractions while eating, such as screens or multitasking, and savor the sensory experience of each meal. Strategy number 6, herbal remedies. Incorporate anti-inflammatory herbs and spices into your daily routine, such as turmeric, ginger, garlic, cinnamon, and green tea. These potent botanicals possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Strategy number 7, gut health. Support your gut microbiome with prebiotic fibers, probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These fermented foods help replenish beneficial gut bacteria, strengthen the gut barrier, and reduce chronic inflammation in the digestive tract. Strategy number 8, hydration. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of electrolyte water throughout the day to support optimal cellular function, flush out toxins, and maintain a healthy inflammatory response. Aim for at least 8 glasses of liquids per day, and consider incorporating hydrating foods such as cucumber, berries, and citrus fruits into your diet. Remember to constantly drink water throughout the day. Your main liquid consumption should be while the sun is still out bright in the sky. Pay attention to your thirst cues and know that if you are feeling thirsty, you might already have a certain degree of dehydration. Strategy number 9, mind-body practices. Explore mind-body practices such as acupuncture, acupressure, and qigong to promote relaxation, balance energy flow, and reduce inflammation in the body. These ancient healing modalities have been shown to have profound effects on physical and emotional well-being. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, there you have it, friends. Levitas' top tips for treating chronic inflammation naturally. By incorporating these simple yet powerful strategies into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps to quell chronic inflammation, restore balance to your body, and regain the vibrant health and vitality you deserve. Remind yourself that your health is your greatest wealth. So take care of yourself, nurture your body, and embrace your body's natural power of healing. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with chronic inflammation. We love hearing from you. Your support is a solid pillar to us. It helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your health and weight loss goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.